All right, so welcome back, welcome back. $31 million already secure in the kitty. Yo, 31 million already secure in the kitty. And tentatively, more to be added on that. Say no, say boy, the JFF a smile. Ching, 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 ching. We can get the little sound there. You got ching like a cash register sound. I don't know, we can get it. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much for joining. Really, really appreciate it. We're going to get into an article surrounding the JFF and some monetary aspects of what is set to come for them this year. I don't know, so once there's money surrounding JFF, there's a lot of hands now coming and say, hey, what am I one? What am I one? But not only that, the other party as well. Well, you know me not getting that. Anyways, the hit like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. I'm just going to jump in an article right away. We're not going to waste no time at all, people. Not waste no time at all. As you can see, the president of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts. So he did an interview speaking about the positives and stuff. No, some stuff that's happening within the JFF. But the big aspect of that is the monetary part. Managing the money. JFF Ricketts highlights lower debt as election draw near. Interesting. I said lower the debt. Anyways, let's get into the details, people. With the fate of the Jamaica Football Federation presidency set to be known in the coming days, incumbent Michael Ricketts continued the defense of his stewardship, pointing to the lowering of the organization debt as one of the greatest achievements during his tenure. Funny enough, I read out an article of Mr. Anderson stating that he's willing to, based off the crowd and the bucket we have, they might bring in 350 million in the institution. So one party said they're lowering the debt of the institution, and the next party said we're bringing in a massive amount of money to improve on the institution. Exactly. Anyways, I think the same thing as you. Yes. Ricketts has overseen local football governing body since 2017 and is seeking another 4-year term. He's however been challenged by current Vice President Raymond Anderson ahead of Sunday's election. Before 2020, JFF had announced that their total debt had exceeded 300 million. You see what think about it, the people. Raymond said he's bringing in 350 million. And at this, before that, they said the debt exceed 300 million. But take a lower as we continue to read. However, by the end of 2023, General Secretary Dennis Strong disclosed that they had managed to reduce the deficit by almost 50%, leaving them with a current debt bill of 170. Whew. Now the 300 million, they sound interesting. The 350 million, they sound interesting. No. Hey. Anyways, before 2020, JFF had announced that they're just read that. My apologies. Ricky told the Jamaica Observer that that his team has made substantial progress in assisting the Federation to achieve financial sustainability. This is what he said. Our finance department, our counting department, and the General Secretary all have done excellent jobs as it relates to managing the economy here. We have significantly cut our deficit and our debts, and we are now very current as it relates to our statutory deductions. So much that we have our own tax compliance certificates. Sometimes we have not had in more than a decade, something that we have not had in more than a decade. These are all positive strides, Ricky said. Now, we could get to the money part. Surely our contract with Adidas will go a very far way in helping to reduce our debt, as we all know, be in a position to be far more liquid as it relates to meeting our obligations. And of course, once we are now aligned with FIFA's requirements, then we'll get whatever support from our parent organization, that's CFU, Caribbean Football Unit, CONCACAF, and FIFA. We just want to do things right from a commercial standpoint, and then I'm pretty certain that the sky is the limit in every aspect of the sport. Things seem to be on the path of recovery. We just want to get election over with and get serious about football. So, we are saying, serious all along. So, after election, I get serious. Hey, Raymond supposed to smile and say all them something. Anyways, the Reggae Boyz are also expected to bring in much needed income to the JFF covers as they participate in this summer South America showpiece, the Copa America, as well as the finals of the CONCACAF Nation League, with kickoff in the USA next week. Although the final income total will not be determined until after the tournaments have concluded, Ricky said Jamaica is guaranteed to receive 31 million for their participation. 31 million in the kitty. Now I mean, money enough. Yo, 31 million people in the kitty, money enough. Anyways, if you win the Nations League, it's 32 US. It's 310 million. Okay, if we win it, so if we win it, 310. Hey, we need to win it. If you're the runners up, it's a million. It's 1 million. So it's 2 million US if you win it, and it's 1 million Jamaican if you 1 million US if you come second, which is 55 million Jamaican. If you're third, it's US 600,000, which is 93 million, and if you're fourth, it's 200,000, 31 million. So tentatively, I already have 31 million in the pocket, but guess what? We guarantee so we're gonna get either 31 million upwards. For the Copa, we'll be paid funds. We'll be paid some funds. Now, I'm not sure yet. We're waiting on that, but things are looking a lot better. We just hope that, like Jack Warner said, the nightmare is over and we can get serious. So far, things are looking up. And this year could be very well be a year when the JFF will have a number of things to be proud about. Ricketts said. Ooh, but the big part of it is, for me personally, is the monetary gains that we set out to get. It's a good look. I have to say it's a good look. In many aspects, I have to say it's a good look. If they can fulfill these monetary obligations, I myself would say, hey, well done. But as it stands, 31 million already for participation. But bear in mind, they only get the money after the competition. And then now, if we come third, another 31. Our runners up, 93 million. Me quote them in a Jamaican currency. And winners, 350. 93 million runners up are fourth. Oh, my apologies. Fourth place is 31 million. Third place is 93 million. Second place, I think that was 100 and something. Second place, 155, yeah. Second place is 155, and winner get 310. So it's definitely a good look. But as me can say, them already the answer. So it's very important. So you see a big money on the line, now, people. Big money on the line. So it's very important that we got finals, go in the finals. You see? Anyways, people, tell us what you think so far. Do you think Jamaica can really achieve this? The Reggae Boyz, I think it's very, very important to look at it, the financial benefits. Even though we don't know the money might go, but at the end of the day, we still have to know that, boy, we compete and we get that piece of kitty in our pocket. We know that when they check it out, all of the associations them within Jamaica and football, them are going to want for them. One, and definitely, it's just how the nature of the business sets up. At the end of the day, I want to see progress. So me personally, the money part is quite important, but I think the football way more important to me per people, me. But for the organization, the money is very important because they need the money to run the football. They need the money to run the football. But tell us what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, people. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace out. Boom. Now I mean, yo.